Investing is great for a whole host of reasons. It allows us to buy assets instead of liabilities, so that what we put our money into won't depreciate over time. We can get our money to work for us to generate additional revenue streams through dividends. But also, our investments can go up in value, so much so that we can make huge profits off just small investments. And so today we'll be looking at 5 of the top growth stocks in the UK in 2020. All of the following firms on this list are listed on the FTSE100, which is the 100 largest market capitalisation firms on the London Stock Exchange. Welcome to Wise Wealth. If you like this type of content, be sure to hit the like button to let me know. This is the first of a new series of top 5s that I'll be introducing to the channel. If there are other top 5s that you would like me to cover, then be sure to let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and make sure to enable the notifications by clicking on the bell icon. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. The first on our list is SGRO. SGRO is a UK-based real estate investment trust. The company owns, develops and manages warehouse properties in the UK and in continental Europe. Its segments include Greater London, Thames Valley and National Logistics, Northern, Southern and Central Europe. They are currently trading at 812 pence. The rise of convenience-based e-commerce services such as next day and same day delivery, combined with more retail brands moving to an online platform to maintain sales, has meant that over the years, logistics hubs and warehouse real estate has seen a huge spike in value. Due to this, SGRO's portfolio has seen significant gains, and therefore its share price has gained over the past few years. As shown by the growth chart, SGRO's share price has grown over 98% in the last 5 years, meaning an investment of £1,000 5 years ago would now be worth £1,980. On top of this, SGRO also pays a dividend to its shareholders. The yield of 2.52% is not the highest that can be found, but the passive income in addition to the steady share growth means that it's a highly attractive investment. If you're interested in stocks that yield higher dividend returns, click on the icon in the top right hand corner and watch my top 5 dividend stocks in the UK in 2020. I'll also leave a link to that in the video description below. Number 2 on our list is JD Sports. JD Sports plc is a multi-channel retailer of fashionable branded and own brand sports and casual wear, combining global brands such as Nike, Adidas, Puma and the North Face with its own brand labels. They're currently trading at 505 pence. Over the last 10 years, JD Sports has been one of the largest growth stocks on the FTSE100. Since then, their share value has grown 3,200%, meaning an investment of £1,000 10 years ago would now be worth £32,000. JD Sports is unlikely to see the same rate of growth over the next 10 years. However, this does show the power of investing in a growth stock at the right time. The dividend yield of this stock is much lower than SGRO, currently sitting at 0.34%. Growth stocks tend to have lower dividend yield due to their high value. Some large growth companies don't even pay out dividends, instead reinvesting in the firm to stimulate further growth. We'll see an example of one of these companies later on in the list. Number 3 on our list is AstraZeneca. AstraZeneca plc is a biopharmaceutical company. It focuses on discovery and development of products, which are then manufactured, marketed and sold. As of this video, they are currently trading at 7,928 pence. Unlike other stocks on this list, AstraZeneca has recently been selected as part of a government initiative along with others to participate in the discovery and development of a vaccine for COVID-19. Successfully doing so could lead to mass production of a product globally with worldwide interest at hand. The breakthrough could spell the beginning of a monumental climb in share price. Despite this initiative, AstraZeneca is still an attractive investment. Its share value has grown over 68% in the last 3 years, and it currently has a dividend yield of 2.74%. Number 4 on the list is Ashtead Group. Ashtead Group plc is an international equipment rental company. The company rents a full range of construction and industrial equipment across a range of applications. While it's listed on the FTSE100 in the UK, Approximately 90% of its revenue is accounted for by its operations in the US market. Like JD Sports, this company has seen an astronomical growth over the last 10 years. It has risen approximately 3,110%, meaning an investment of £1,000 then would now be worth £31,000. Furthermore, Ashtead Group pays out a dividend. While the yield of 1.8% may appear to be on the lower side, there is much room for potential dividend growth, with the current dividend cover of 4.6. Number 5 on our top FTSE 100 growth stocks is Accardo. Accardo Group plc is a UK-based online grocery retailer. Its business operates on a fully digital platform to end consumers and also has monetized technology used for online retailing, logistics and distribution of grocery and consumer goods. As of this video, it is currently trading at 1,553 pence. Accardo is truly a growth stock, as it does not provide dividend payouts, and is the only one on this list to do so. In the last 3 years, Accardo has seen a share value growth of over 535%. What looks more promising is that growth is not expected to be hindered due to the current climate. As a provider of an essential service to customers, Accardo's online delivery service has seen a significant rise in traffic, much like all the other supermarkets in the UK. It has even limited delivery slot availability to existing customers only and a priority access list. If you want more info on how to spot these sorts of stocks before they grow massively to make some serious gains, check out my video on this. It explains the cycles that growth stocks go through, how we can harness them, and how to capitalize on this so that we land a huge growth stock before it soars. Click on the icon in the top right hand corner to head there. I'll also leave a link in the video description below. So there you have it, 5 top growth stock investments in the UK in 2020. Let me know in the comments below if you have any investments in these companies, or if you think there are any others to include on a list like this. In the current conditions, some industries look set to grow much more than others. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts on what these might be. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more content and hit the like button, and until next time, see ya.